Hello, grandkids. It's Mema for Stories with Mema. Here is a book I found called The Gentle Bulldozer. That's interesting because if you know anything about a bulldozer, I wouldn't say they were very gentle. This book is written by Amy Barron. Let's see about how can a bulldozer be gentle? They push everything around. So let's see about this. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Bulldozer's construction family began each day with a chant. Our team is strong and brave. We smash and rack all day. Excavator and dump truck shouted the words cheerfully. Backhoe and crane sang the words loudly, but Bulldozer just whispered the words as quietly as he could. See all of these? They just wreck things. They're not very gentle. The heavy machine smashed and growled. Walls fell, boulders cracked, and debris flew every which way. With each task completed, laughter and joy filled the air. Bang! Crash! Crack! Slam! But Bulldozer just crept along slowly, moving piles of dirt and gravel, hoping the others wouldn't notice the frown on his face. He felt empty inside, yet when he checked his gas tank, it was filled to the brim. I don't think he's like the rest of his family members. I don't like breaking things, he said with a sigh. Why is this my job? Because you're a fearless bulldozer, that's why, said Excavator, racing off to dig up dirt. Oh, look at how sad he looks. The next day, Crane asked Bulldozer to knock down a tree. Bulldozer hung his head low, inched up, and readied his blade. But he just couldn't do it. I'm sorry, everyone, he said. I know I'm a bulldozer, but I can't hurt a tree. I hope you don't think less of me. It's a beautiful tree, too. Bulldozer drove off, feeling like a failure. He was a bulldozer, and bulldozers were not meant to be gentle. He drove for hours, passing cars, animals, forests, and lakes. At last, he came to a farm. The midday sun was very hot, so he stopped to rest. He watched the farmer tend to his crops. How are you? Bulldozer asked, pulling up beside him. I'm worried, the farmer said glumly. The roof on my barn is falling down and a heavy rainstorm is coming tonight. My animals will not have a dry place to sleep. I tried to fix the roof myself, but the wooden planks are too heavy. Say, can you help me? Do you think a bulldozer can help him with his roof? Bulldozer thought for a moment. His job was to destroy things. So he doubted he could fix a roof, but he was too polite to say no. He sprang into action, scooping up a wooden plank. Crack! The plank broke in half. I knew I couldn't do it, Bulldozer said. But the farmer just smiled. Try again. Point your blade down a little more this time, and you'll have it. Oh, he's got to do things a little differently to be more gentle, huh? Bulldozer pointed his blade down a little more and ever so carefully lifted a plank. Success! He held the plank in place while the farmer hammered it in. Together they whistled as they worked. By nightfall, the roof was secure. Very good. When Bulldozer saw the finished roof, he beamed. "Thank you," said the farmer, placing some seeds in the bulldozer's blade. "You are quite a gifted builder. Take these as a token of my appreciation." Missing his family back at the construction site, Bulldozer headed home. When heavy rain filled the sky, he was glad the farmer's animals were snug and dry in the barn. Aw, he's got a kind heart. The next morning, Bulldozer arrived home, sparkling from the rain's cleansing bath. His family cheered as he honked his horn. "Bulldozer," said Dump Truck, "where'd you go?" "Sorry I left so suddenly," Bulldozer said. "I helped a farmer fix the roof of his barn and learned that I can do more than just destroy." "Really? Bulldozers are meant for destruction," said Crane. "I don't understand." "I'll show you," said Bulldozer. "Follow my lead." Oh, how's he going to show him, I wonder? Bulldozer directed Excavator to dig a hole for the foundation. He asked Backhoe to level the ground. Bulldozer carried cinder blocks to Crane, who carefully lowered them into place. Dump Truck hauled away the debris. The whole family rejoiced as walls were constructed. "Hooray! High fives all around." The group sang, "Our team is strong and brave. It's fun to build today." And this time, Bulldozer sang along. They're building instead of destroying. They had built a house. Bulldozer cruised to a sunny spot by the side of the house and sprinkled the farmer's seed in the dirt. There grew a tree which still stands today. Oh, that is a nice story. I like that about the gentle bulldozer. It's interesting how we can all have different things we enjoy doing. So the rest of his family did like to destroy things, but they also liked how to build things once the gentle bulldozer showed them how. All right, grandkids, Mema loves you very much. I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I'll read you later. Mwah.